Hello guys, how to fix your Windows 11 10 system randomly shut down. If your Windows 11 PC randomly shut down, you might be dealing with a hardware or a software failure. Overheating of the CPU may be a cause of this problem. And here are the fixes. The first workaround is open Windows settings. Under system settings, go to troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and scroll down and go to power troubleshooter. Run the power troubleshooter to fix the randomly shut down Windows 11 10 PC. The second fixes is disable fast startup. Open control panel, go to the power option, click on choose what the power buttons do and choose change settings that are currently not available, and uncheck the box next to turn on fast startup recommended and save changes. Also change advanced power settings, change plan settings, change advanced power settings, expand hard disk, then set on battery and plugged in option and turn off hard disk after to never. Click the apply and then OK button to save the changes. Both the option on battery and plugged in option set it as never. Also plugged in option set it as never. Go to power management, minimum processor state, also set it as 0%, and finally click on apply and then OK button. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Turn off sleep mode. Again go to Windows settings, under system settings, click on power and battery option, under screen and sleep, set on battery power, put my device to sleep after, and when plugged in put my device to sleep after to never. Both the option should be saved as never. Also when plugged in turn off my screen after, set as never. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next phases. Open run command box, execute the command rstrui, restore system files and settings, choose next, restore your computer to the state it was good condition, select it and choose the option next. Confirm your restore point and click on finish button to restore your system when your system is in good condition.